Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. And it is cold today. It was like 26 or 27, but I was in a sweatshirt all day and a hat and did not feel cold at all. But got out here at 8:30 this morning, finished the grape trellis, one of them. It's 160 feet long, and got started on the second grape trellis and got 5 holes drilled, and then my battery went out on my auger and the backup battery was on the charger. Since I got here at 8:30, well, it did not charge at all, so that ruined the rest of this day, because with that auger it probably takes about a minute to drill a hole 24 inches deep, and I would have been finished with all the posts and they would have set overnight, and then tomorrow I could put all the panels on and be done with this install. But so I got to come back tomorrow, Sunday, and then my mulch delivery has not showed up yet, so hopefully that shows up today, and then tomorrow I can mulch everything and then be done. And I will have more pictures and more video coming up tomorrow, but I'm going to flip you around and take you on a walk of this grape trellis. And like I said, it's 160 feet long, but check this out, it's pretty nice. I will be sawing off the tops of all these 4x4s here, just so you know. But here we go, here's the new one. It's going to be identical to this one, but here we go. We're going to walk all the way down here. There's some grapes, and they're gonna vine right up these trellises. And I added the T-posts today for stability, because it's very, very windy out here, and once they're all full of grapes, I don't want them getting ripped apart, because I'm telling you, it was very, very windy out here. There's nothing to block the wind anywhere other than these trees here. But it's just wide open. But yeah, but it turned out pretty nice. This cattle panels are not fun to work with at all, but you get used to it after a while. You get better. Every one you put up, you get better at. But there we go. See how far I walked down? 160 feet. And then here's the other one. Boom. And those are all that's left. They'll be in their new homes tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon. Well, tomorrow morning. And then there's no more going in the ground. Got to find out where these raspberries are going. But they're good for now. But anyway, got my truck warming up. Heading back home. It's about an hour drive. And then it's UFC all night tonight. I think what, UFC 281 tonight. Gonna be some great fights. But anyway, if you would like to design a food forest or edible landscape for your backyard, for your lake home, for a school, for a green space in the community, if you are on city councils, if you are in politics, you should be focusing. You want to win elections? Start telling people that you want to start planting fruit trees and berry bushes instead of these ornamental trees that serve no purpose. Okay, and then they got to pay city workers to go maintain everything, clean up everything, cut all the grass all the time. Instead, it could be food forests with food everywhere for everyone. Solves a lot of the world's biggest problems. Okay, and it's healthy food. But like I said, if you want to design a food forest edible landscape in your yard, give me a call, 612-990-5345. Text me. Don't call, text, because I will answer a text. And email travis@foodforestabundance.com, or visit foodforestabundancemn.com, and we will design the backyard of your food dreams. But everybody start growing food, stop growing these wasteful lawns that are full of poisons. And let's get back to growing food, people. Have an amazing Saturday. Bye.